just felt Spirit guiding me to come here and work with these beautiful, beautiful birds. And let's see what we want to do. I've done some work here before. There's significant portal here, and yeah, I felt them responding to me as I was doing light language of the car just as I drove past. So I've decided to pull over and we're going to do some work here. Let's see what wants to come through. Miku karatia katusha here, makarati katusha, makutusha, magadisa, gadisa, budush, gadisamakush, gadisa, badush, gadabaduda, shigadi, the motor, tush, gadisamatis, gadushigara, Mikira Makuko, shigadisa, badush, gadisamakush, 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 gadidusha, Ekuku, shigadisamatis, gadisa, budush, gadisa, magadusha, badisa, gadushigara, Ekuku, shigadisamatis, gadisa, badush. So we are witnessing here the interweaving of the species here. It's not just swan here, there are geese here, there are different types of birds here, and it's time for us to unite. It's time to see us as one beyond the form. It's time to see that we are sharing the planet, that we are all sharing and living off this planet, and it's time to look after our planet. It's time to look after the ecosystem. It's time to clean our act up as human beings. Honestly, we are directly impacting all these beautiful animals around us. The whales, what is Japan doing? Japan has decided to start hunting whales again, and we're still buying plastics. People are still not caring about what they throw away in their rubbish bin. And it's not okay. It is time. It's time to pay attention. It's time for us to venture out and look at the world around us. It is time to spend time looking and seeing the value and the reverence and the divinity in every living creature. Ki So just being a human being, 2 legs does not give you the right to abuse this planet, does not give you the right to mistreat another being. It does not give you the right to harm an animal. It does not give us the right to harm our planet. We have a supreme responsibility to change the consciousness on our planet, and it begins with us. It begins with each choice. It becomes with this awareness of what thought you are entertaining in this current moment. Is it a thought that is destructive? Is it a thought that's bent on you being less than, divinely beautiful? Catch these thoughts out and align yourself to the truth of who you are, that you are beautiful and that you are part of this wonderful world, and that you cannot create from harm or blame or hurt or betrayal or dysfunction or feeling less than. You create from knowing deep within your soul that you are beautiful, that you are unconditional love and light, and that you have a supreme responsibility to know this aspect of you so that you can work from this divine creative aspect and create heaven on earth, peace on earth. And it starts from creating the peace within your soul. Everything is energy. It's not about paying lip service. It's not about pretense. It's not about a veneer or a facade. It's about getting real and connecting with the truth of who you are. And so this is the call today. This is the call of the birds. My goodness, they see it all. E kuku shakia pukarania kudu shagri makarita ku kasia makita kuku e kame karatia kuratu shakia bukura simaka e kukite makiati shima kuku shakia ti mekero tu shigra mikiti makirti kuratu shigrama e kise makiati makura tu shamakia tu reti maka Mikihi makuku shakiti maka e kuku shakia ti simekati mako e kurati makia kimako e shima kuro tu katima. So how many people just drive past here and think nothing of it? Just think, oh, look at those birds, and carry on in their mind and their busyness, going about their day, grumbling and being negative and disenchanted with the world around them, and so oblivious and ignorant to their mind bullshit that's going on and being recycled. I drove past, I felt their beauty, I felt their light, and I felt my light up, and I knew that I was being called to connect and invoke powerful prayer here and assist and do my part. And this is your invitation. Are you willing to stand in your light and in your truth? Are you willing to feed the funnel of unconditional love? Are you willing to let go of your story of pain, suffering, self-doubt? Are you willing to align yourself to the beauty of who you are and do what it takes? Are you willing to reach out for others for help and support to be shown the way? I koka samore tia ki tia koto shakia te makia koto I shura tu shakira ti samakati mako I si makira ti ki hi makoko shaka. Are you willing to take responsibility for your health and your well-being, for your life and your set of circumstances? I koko shakati makura sakari sakaki shakru shakara ki moko shakati koto shakara. Are you willing to take responsibility for how your life is presenting itself in this moment? And do it from a place of love. Take a life review. Review yourself. Review where you're at. Review those thoughts. Align yourself to beauty, to love. Know this energy. This is what aligns you to the right course of action, to the right way of thinking, to the right way of being that supports your world and supports all the creatures that we share this world with. Nikuhia sakia timaka. Ituna kia timakia tukusha kati moko hu. Ishia kia tika. Hikima kuku shakia timaku kati tsubura tika tisaka. Kikima kuku. Do we stop to ponder about the purchasing that we do? Do we stop to pause? Where does our food come from? It might be in pretty packaging. It might look nice. But what's gone on? Has the planet been hurt in its production? So adopt practices that work in harmony with the earth. Arm yourself with knowledge. Start doing your research. Support these wonderful organisations like Greenpeace. Make a change in your world. Hikima kia te makia hikima kuku husha hiamaka. Mikia tia makia tuku husha kia tika. Hikima kia no wakora tia samura tia kata. Kima kia tia me kiki 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 ki. Hikuro tu kashia makaki tia makoko husha ka. Isima kia tia makatu kashia makia ki tia maka. Himeka ki 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 ki. Himea ki 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 ki. Everything is sacred, everyone is sacred, every creature is sacred, every aspect that grows from nature on this beautiful planet is sacred. Go beyond the form. It is not about the size or the colour or who you come from or how many diplomas you have on your wall or whether you have no diplomas on your wall. You have your heart. You have your capacity to love and express love and help another human being and also help yourself. Ika mokoko shakia ti makoko shakia tika. Mikira tia kia koka sama kara tia kuku shaka. Hikima kia ti makaku ku shakia tia maka. Himia kiki makuku ku shaka tia maka. Hikia makuku ku shakia tima. Himika kia makuku ku shakia tikia. So let us be one flock. Let us fly together. Let us find our wings of freedom. Let us use our God-given free will to help one another, to help this planet, to unite, to bring peace on earth. Kia mō ka tia shukura ti sakare tia bokuka. Ki shima kaka. Simo kora tia kuku shaka. So the time for waiting for someone else to rescue us is gone. It is about each moment, each choice. It is about you being fully conscious of what mindset you are listening to and then governing your decisions from. So if discord is present, find a way to clear yourself, to release the pain and suffering, to come back into peace and harmony, and then ask from your aligned soul of peace and harmony to be shown the way. Show me the way that serves my highest good. Show me the way that serves my family's highest good. Show me the way that serves my beautiful planet in the highest possible way. Nikia tia koto shaka tia makoko shaka. Si mea ka tia makoko shaka tia. So, you choose your anchor. Mikoro tashi bakora tisa kata. Si makia tiki tika. Be done with the drama. Mikoko shakata, be done with regurgitating the drama, other people's drama. Mikoko shakatikia, such a waste of time and energy when there are so much more important things that we need to do to clean up. Clean up our act, to clean up our mind and the thoughts that we regurgitate into one aligned with truth, divinity and peace and love. And can you see these birds communicating this? I'm just used as a conduit, that's all, because I see them as an equal. We're one and the same. Imakia turati samakia tuku shakia tika. Nikira ka makutu shakia timaka. Hikima tima kuku shakia timaka. Miki makuku shakia tika. Mikira timaka ki timaka. Hisima kuku shakia tika. Ikimaka. These creatures are affected by the energy of human beings. They feel it all. Hikuku shakati maki tiki tu kuku shakatika. He meke kiki kiki ki. Hika makuku shakiatika. Kia, kia, kia. And so it is. We speak these words. Mokoratia subku shaka. And we leave you with blessings. May you receive the love that you need to fill your spirit up, to get yourself up each morning, to look at each situation freshly, to let go of judgment, blame, pain and suffering, and come into the harmony of your heart. Tune into the harmony of the planet that is inherent when it hasn't been sabotaged or polluted or misused and abused. It's available to us every moment. Play some beautiful music, light a candle, be loving and nurturing yourself, create the environment of beauty within your home, and go outside and connect with nature. Nikakia tukuru shatia makutsuko shakia timaka. Kimora tia katushari makurushi ki maka. And have a journal, have a notepad, have a pen. Be ready to write down those clear, inspiring moments. Your aha moments, your moments of synchronicity, clarity, inspiration. Imoka tia sukurushia tia ki maka. Timokuku shakata. Miki makuku shakia tiki maka. Kimo katia makuku shakatia kita. Kia, kia, kia. And so I'm just going to finish with my song of gratitude that I will sing to these beautiful creatures and to all of you and to each one of us for doing our part, for not giving up and for showing up each moment, no matter how difficult life may appear to be. We're here to show up. We're here to shine the light in the darkest of places and to keep doing our best. Mikira kia makura tia mo. Mikira tira kia kia mo. Kira tika mo. Kira tika mo. Kira tika mo. Go well. My love to your love, my light to your light. One heart, one light. May we unite and bring heaven on earth. Namaste.